You got your baby in the stroller? You gonna push her? Fix her up. Are you gonna push her? Oh, you're gonna pull her. That's clever. Not the best way to watch your baby, but don't wake up the kitty behind you. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. He's not a very nice kitty. And he's sound asleep. Huh? Scarlet. That kitty can be mean. Let's see. Come on, fat cat. Soft. Soft.